Alright, we're working our way through the Microsoft Official Academic Course Lab Manual, installing and configuring Windows 10 in preparation for exam 70-698. We are currently on Lab 10, which is configuring remote management, and we will be working our way through, on this video, 10.3, which is managing a remote system using the Microsoft Management Console. So let's see, we're still logged into CL1 from the previous exercise, so we want to type in MMC, so let's get started there. Alright, so right click, run MMC, enter. And here we want to click on File and add Remove Snap-in. And we want to click Computer Management. Okay, so we clicked on Computer Management. We want to go ahead and click on Add. Local computer is already selected, so we're going to go click on Finish. We're going to close the Add Remove Snap-in buttons by clicking on OK. And then expand the Computer Management node. And right-click Computer Management Local. And choose Connect to another computer. Here we want to type in the long-CL2. And then OK. Now, it might be the reason that's taking so long is because there's a firewall. So what we're going to do is we're going to minimize this for now and go into CL2 and right click. Let's take a look. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and minimize this. Go to CL2, right click, search, control panel, System and Security, and Windows Firewall. Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. We want to turn off, for the domain, we want to turn off Windows Defender Firewall. And then go ahead and do OK. And then close out of this. Minimize this and go back to CL1 again. And then try again. So right click, connect to another computer. LON-DC2 and then OK. Crud. Abood. I'm going to try this one more time. Right click, connect to another computer. LON-CL2. Okay, so what I've done, and I've done this on both the CL1 and CL2 machines. I went into the Task Manager, Services, and you want to right click and start the FTP host and the FDRes pub. Okay, once you do that on both the CL1 and CL2, you can be able to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to left click. Oops. And again, I'm on. There we go. I'm on CL1. Now when we left click, right click, connect to another computer, you should be able to type in the LON-CL2 and it will connect. See, I'm on CL2 now. Now we want to expand the event viewer node. And you get to Event Viewer by expanding System Tools. So we've expanded System Tools. We're going to click on Event Viewer. We're going to expand it. And there should be a Windows Logs, which is right here. And we want to expand that. And then we're going to click on the System node. Okay, and if you're following along in your lab manual, or you're required to do so, this would be where you would take your last screenshot for this particular exercise. Again, you are showing that you're in CL2, and these are actually for the CL2. Okay, our last exercise, this is going to be the end of this lab and the end of this exercise. I am going to go ahead and do the lab challenge on the next video, which is running PowerShell commands on a remote computer.